when it's important, when it's essential, there is a seriousness in the practice, and it is important to be serious to some extent. So seriousness is required, but the blind seriousness is not. So that way we are, moving in the right direction of loosening the ego, eventually letting go of the ego ultimately. And to make that happen, again, subtracting the mind or dismantling the mind or tracing the mind backward is the path that can help us get there. Okay? And another thing is that this whole journey is about you. It's about figuring out the true nature of who you are. So it's about figuring out you, and you don't have to be crazily serious. It's resting in who you are. So especially if you're blinded by the ideas of spirituality, the stories of the spirituality, and the story is making you get serious in a way that you're loosening, you're forgetting it's about you. Then it doesn't help. It's about figuring out the truth of who you are, and we don't have to get so serious that we are so blinding ourselves, and we just we are creating the chaos along the way. That kind of effort is not needed. Okay, so it's about you. And to see your true self, true face, all you need to do is dismantle. Okay, anyway, I hope this video makes sense. Be serious, but serious in a right way, where your awareness is present and your right reference is present in the path. So that way you can really helping yourself to make yourself free from your inner conflict and fear. Okay,